Alright. There. I own the fridge. Alright. Okay, they're gonna be here in 3 days. Yeah. They're gonna be here 3 days. Alright. I'm kinda bored.
2 hours later.
Hey, Luigi. Oh, yes, yes, Yoshi. I'm kind of bored. Yeah, me too. What do you think? What do you think we should do? I think we should. I think we should wait until the fridge gets here by 3 days, just like Mario said. He came earlier. Oh yes. Oh. Hey, Runt. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that dinosaur right there? That dinosaur, the red one? Yes. Oh, that's Yoshi. Oh, okay. Well, hey Yoshi. What are you doing? I'm here to visit those guys. So I just wanted to say that I could stay here forever. Really? Yes. Okay, that's cool. So Mario said that the fridge is gonna come in 3 days. 3 days? Yeah, 3 days. Okay, that's cool. Uh, I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks.
3 days later.
Okay, the fridge is right here. The white fridge is gone. All right. Okay. See, the black fridge is here, or gray. I forgot. I don't know what it's called. I don't know what it is. It's like a Samsung, and it's perfect. The white one's gone. All right. Hey, Luigi, Yoshi, run. Oh, hey, what is that? That's a new fridge. Oh, new fridge? Yeah, that's my new fridge. Wow, Mario, that's perfect. Wow, that looks perfect. Yeah, I know, Runt. It is perfect. What do you think of this fridge, Luigi? I think it's cool. Yeah, it's cool. Wait, where's Chicken Little? He never seen this fridge before in his life. Oh, I know. He went to visit Abby Mallard. Oh, okay. I guess that makes sense. So what do you think of this fridge, guys? That fridge looks good. Yeah. Well, I think I think I'm really thirsty, you guys. Oh, are you thirsty, Luigi? Yes. I'm gonna put this water bottle in the. I think I'm gonna drink it right now. What do you think? What do you guys think? Sure, Luigi, you can drink it. Okay, I think I'll get the water bottle. Okay. Okay, I got the water bottle. All right, just gonna open it. Just gonna do this. Careful. Okay. This is perfect. Ugh. Like this fridge. This fridge is amazing. Alright. Let's get the good stuff.
3 weeks later.
Horrible nap. Taking a horrible nap. What I ain't supposed to do. Maybe I should do something. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna play Candy Crush. Alright. Okay, go. Go. Aha! I won! Aha, yes, I won. Man, I can't believe I won. Yes. Yes, I won. Whew. Man, I can't believe I actually won. No, what should I do today? I think I should ask. I think I should ask Mario if he wants to play Mario Party 10. Yeah, that sounds good. Good enough. Hey Mario, I really like your new fridge. It's so cool. Thanks Yoshi. Yeah, I agree with. Yeah, I can agree. This is awesome. Yes, cool fridge. Yeah. So, how do you guys like the new fridge? My new fridge. Cool. Well, thanks. Hey Mario. Oh. Yes, Luigi. Do you want to play Mario Party 10 with me? Sure. Okay, let's go. Alright. Okay, guys, I'll talk to you in a minute. Alright? See ya. Okay. Man, I really like Mario's new fridge. It's so cool. Yes. You know what, Luigi? I think my new fridge was cool. So you think it's kind of cool? Yes. That fridge is cool. So I really like my new fridge. Yes. So come on, Luigi. Let's go play Mario Party 10. It was cool. Yeah, cool. Yeah. Hey Runt, check out the fidget spinner. What? Oh, hey Toad, come here. What yes, Chicken Little, what is it? Look at this. What? Wow, is that a fridge? Yes. It's not white, is it? I don't think so. Someone just took the fridge and then he got a new one. Oh, that must be Mario who got the new fridge. Oh, really? Really? Okay. Alright. Hey, Rod, check what I got. Hey, Runt. Oh, hey, Chicolo. Guess what I got from the swap meet? Oh, really? What is it? I'll show you. Tralala. See that? That's Fallout. It's just fidget spinner. Wow, where'd you get that? Got it from the swap meet. You like it? Sure. Well, you want to try those? Yes? Okay, here you go. Okay. Okay, here goes. Wow, that's cool, Chicken Lil. I like your fidget spinner. Yes, fidget spinner is cool. So what do you think of my fidget spinner, Runt? Cool. Yeah, you think? Alright. As you can see, Runt, this fidget spinner is red. And then Chicken Lil likes it. Oh, really? Really? Oh, hey, you want to watch a movie with me? Sure. Okay. Let's go. Alright. Let's go watch a movie. So what movie do you want to watch, Chicken Little? I think we should watch, Shrek. Shrek? Oh, okay. Shrek is cool. Yeah. Shrek is a cool movie. I really like those. Yeah. Me too. V3, V4. Okay. Let's watch Shrek, everyone. Okay.